In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets with Excel on desktop. If you want your spreadsheet work in Google Sheets to show up in Excel on your computer, there are two straightforward paths: creating a live, shareable link you can sync to, or downloading a one-time Excel file. I'll walk you through both so you can pick what fits your workflow. Start by opening your Google Sheet in your browser. Make sure the data is clean and clearly labeled, because the way you structure it in Sheets affects how smoothly it appears in Excel. Consistent headers, clear date formats, and tidy columns go a long way. Next, click File in the top menu. Here, you have two choices. If you want a live connection that Excel can refresh, go to Share, and choose Publish to the web. This generates a published version of your data that Excel's import tools can read. Keep in mind, publishing makes a view-only copy accessible to anyone with the link, so only use this option for data that's safe to share publicly. It's great for dashboards or read-only reports where you need up-to-date numbers without manual downloads. If you prefer a local copy, select Download and choose Microsoft Excel. SX. This creates a snapshot of your sheet as an Excel file. It's fast and reliable when you need a static version or want to archive a specific state of the data. Open the Excel file on your desktop to review the result. Check that your headers, number formats, and dates look correct. Some Google-specific functions may convert to values or behave differently in Excel, so verify key formulas and pivot summaries. Adjust column widths or formatting if anything looks off. When you need updated data, you have two options. The simple route is to repeat the download and replace your previous file. That's ideal for occasional updates. For ongoing syncing, use Excel's import tools, such as Power Query or Data Connections, to pull from the published link you created. Once connected, you can refresh to get the latest data without re-downloading. This approach keeps your Excel workbook in sync while maintaining your formatting and analysis on the desktop side. A few quick tips